The Ordinary's AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution is a crowd favourite, however, is it safe for everyone to use in their skincare routine? In this video, I will be sharing with you the benefits of this serum, how to use the product safely, and who it is not suitable for. Firstly, the Ordinary's peeling solution is made up of a variety of alpha hydroxy acids, including lactic acid, glycolic acid, and the beta hydroxy acid salicylic acid. It is a water-based serum with a Tasmanian pepperberry derivative, which reduces irritation that can be associated with acid use. So what are exfoliating acids and how do they work within the skin? Alpha hydroxy acids, otherwise known as AHAs, are a group of water-soluble acids that are commonly used in skincare products to exfoliate and improve the appearance of the skin. Some of the most common AHAs used in skincare include glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, and citric acid. And AHAs work by breaking down the bonds between dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, allowing them to be easily removed. This exfoliating action can help to smooth and brighten the skin surface, reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even out skin tone. AHAs can also help to increase skin hydration by promoting the production of hyaluronic acid, a natural moisturizer that helps to keep the skin plump and hydrated. Beta hydroxy acids, otherwise known as BHAs, are a group of oil-soluble acids that are commonly used in skincare products to exfoliate and unclog the pores. The most common used BHA in skincare is salicylic acid and is an ingredient in this peeling solution. BHAs work by penetrating into the pores and dissolving the oil and dead skin cells that can clog them, helping to reduce the appearance of acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. BHAs can also help to reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne-prone skin. Now, the mix of AHAs and BHAs in this peeling solution makes up for an intensive exfoliation not suitable for everyone. So how do you use the Ordinary's peeling solution? It is recommended to use in the evening once a week, no more, and apply to dry skin as a face mask. It does not need to be a thick layer. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser that doesn't contain any exfoliating acids in it. So this includes salicylic acid cleansers. You want to opt for a gentle cleanser. And after you cleanse, ensuring that you pat the skin dry. Apply Vaseline to around the eye area and corners of the nose, or over any broken skin to prevent the acid from seeping into those areas. This is optional, but I do recommend. The next step is to put on disposable gloves to protect your fingers. Again, this is optional. What you want to do next is apply a small amount of the peeling solution to dry skin, avoiding the eye area or any broken skin. And your skin must be dry. Leave the solution on for no more than 10 minutes. It's important not to leave on any longer than the recommended time, as it can cause skin irritation. Now, you may feel a tingle sensation that is completely normal, however, it should never burn. After the 10 minutes is up, or if you would like to take it off earlier, that's totally fine as well, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water. You can then wash your face by cleansing with a pH balanced cleanser, and again rinsing with cool water and pat dry to ensure all of the product is removed. Follow up with a moisturizer. Do not use any retinol, vitamin C, boronzol peroxide, or any other exfoliating acids after this peel, and ensure it's not an ingredient in your moisturizer. It is recommended to not use this product any more than once a week, as over-exfoliation can damage the skin's natural skin barrier and cause irritation. Additionally, be sure to patch test the product first by applying a small amount to a small area of your skin and waiting 24 hours to see if you have a negative reaction. It's important to note that AHAs and BHAs can increase the skin's sensitivity to the sun, so it's important to use sunscreen daily when using products containing these acids. Now, who should avoid this peeling solution? This formula contains an extremely high concentration of free alpha hydroxy acids and is only recommended for those who are experienced users of acid exfoliation. You should not use this peeling solution if you do not use exfoliating acids often, your skin barrier is impaired, or if you have sensitive skin. Avoid using on broken skin and do not leave on the skin any longer than 10 minutes as per the Ordinary's guidelines. If you want to learn more about the ordinary skincare products, check out these videos here next.